Hi, welcome to the channel. We're just going to go straight into it, and I'm going to show you why the cleanup utility tool provided by AMD will not work in this case. So we're going to go to the AMD cleanup utility and look at the site here where we can actually download the tool. And if you can notice that it clearly states that it does not remove the AMD chipset driver components, which is what we need for this case. So now that we know that this site will not supply us what we're looking for, I'm going to show you what we're actually going to need to do. So what we're first going to do is head on over to Google and locate Microsoft's Uninstaller tool. So you're just going to want to type in Microsoft Uninstall tool and go to the first link. What Microsoft's Uninstaller tool does is it's very useful because it checks the registry in your computer and does a very clean uninstall, which in a sense is just a more thorough removal compared to a regular uninstall. So once you download the link, you're going to want to open up the uninstalling tool, hit next. Once you hit next, it's going to detect whether you want to install or uninstall. You want to click uninstall, and then you're going to wait for it to load up. And it's going to be searching for anything that is able to be uninstalled. And in this case, you're going to see each individual driver that you previously installed. And so you're going to want to go through each individual one, hit next, uninstall it, and do the same process over again by continuing to run the same uninstall tool until you removed all of those programs that we have listed. Now that you have removed all of the programs you needed to, we're going to go ahead and show you how to reinstall the AMD chipset drivers. Now we probably know that you have already done this, but just to be on the safe side, we're going to go over it again. You want to go to AMD's site, locate the driver side, and then go ahead and select your specific socket and your specific motherboard type. In my case, it's an X570, so we're going to go ahead and hit that, hit the Windows 10, and we're going to locate the one with the most recent release date. Hit the download button, and then ever since then, it's just going to be following the steps, hitting next until you have everything reinstalled, and then you're just going to want to have to restart your computer. Now, if you found this video helpful, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and here's why. I actually have my own Twitch channel where I play games on my new PC that I built. I actually just recently built the PC, and I'd love to have you guys come over and watch it. We have a lot of fun here together. My name is Desert Heat, and we play different games from Warzone, Valorant, whatever. Have a really great time with our community. And if you get the opportunity, please come check out my Twitch channel, link down below, and we'd love to see you there. Thank you again. You have a wonderful day.